Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I thought I would just do an updated bronzy look today. This is what I've been wearing in the summer of Australia. Well, we're actually in autumn now, but this is what's usually been my go-to for work during the day, as I find it just so easy to do, so effortless and just really effortless. I'm only going to be using like 4 products today. One of them is foundation, mascara, a bronzing stick and blush. So let's get into it. So after I've done my skincare in the morning, which is usually just a vitamin C serum, and I have also gone in with either just a normal moisturizer or an SPF, I will always either way go in with this Bare Minerals SPF 30 natural matte foundation, which I've actually been really loving and using so much every day. It just gives a beautiful, natural, flawless finish. It lasts all day. Like literally, I have no oiliness that happens. It just lasts. And I find it so just fresh looking to the skin. And the shade that I'm in is called, well, I should take my glasses off because I'm not wearing my contacts today. June 7.5. So we'll just give it a bit of a shake. I've also got a damp beauty sponge here, which I usually use to spread this over my face. So give it a shake, and we're going to be putting actually a generous amount, probably about that much, because I actually use this as concealer as well. So I'm just looking into a mirror here, dotting that over my face, and because I don't have my contacts, I really need to get up and close with the mirror here. And the reason I'm not wearing my contacts today is because I'm just giving my eyes a rest. I've been wearing my contact lenses every day to work, and then I have to wear sort of reading glasses to look at the computer over that, and it's just a whole thing. Like, I'm short and long-sighted at the same time, and it's just, it is what it is. Anyway, let's just blend this foundation into the skin, and yeah, this works beautifully over any moisturizer, any SPF. Actually, the SPF that I've been using is by Mecca Cosmetica. It's the To Save Face SPF 30. But I think I really want to go back to using the Ultra MD SPF 30 UV Clear. But, you know, there's just so many SPFs out there, and, you know, I've been lately, when, I don't know, about 4 months ago, I was walking outside every day without a hat, without any sunscreen whatsoever. And I was just getting in all the natural UVA, UVB rays, you name it. I was getting it all in. I was getting the vitamin D in. And then I thought, okay, it's about time to stop this, because maybe too much of sun is not good. And I don't really want to prematurely age, and you know, yeah, probably damage has already been done. Damage has already been done from years ago. I've got brown spots, melasma, hyperpigmentation, you know, but that's a part of life, you know. Back then, when we were oiling our skin with oil, we didn't think about the implications of sun damage like we do today. And I know that there's a lot of people out there that also don't believe in sunscreen. So I think everyone has the right to choose what they believe in and what they don't. I believe in it, but I'm not hyper vigilant about it like every single day. Sometimes, like, I will just not put it on and I'll forget to put it on, but most often than not, I've got it on. So let's have a look. All right, that's actually worked in. Okay, I think I'm happy with the blending. I did have a close-up look in the mirror, and it seems okay. So now what I'm actually going to be doing is bronzing, and this is it's just too easy. So I use the bronzing stick by Rare Beauty. It's in the shade Happy Soul. It's just my one and done bronzing stick. I just put on over the cheekbones like so. Really easy. Okay, I get my fingers and I tap it in, I blend it in with my fingers, guys, just so easy. You can definitely go in with a beauty sponge as well to do this, but I like to do it with my fingers because that way I'm keeping most of the product. Now look at that. It's bronze, it's glowy, and I take it up towards the temples. And I really am hoping that this is looking all right, even though I don't have my glasses on or contacts. I can see that it's pretty much doing what it needs to be doing. I mean, you really could do it with your eyes closed and you wouldn't mess it up. Next I go in, and I love this brand so much now. Well, they've only got 2 products. They are working on another product which I'm hoping to be receiving sometime in April. It's a secret. I don't even know what it is yet. But it's by Soul Sister, and it's the Butter Balm Mineral Lip and Cheek Balm SPF 50+ in the shade Dusk. And it's just a beautiful lip and cheek colour. That's the colour of it there. It's absolutely beautiful. So I would do this with a stippling brush, just any stippling drop. This is an angled stippling brush by Sigma Beauty, the F53 Air Contour Blush. I just get my brush and swipe it over the blush stick just like that. And then I go in and I dab, dab, dab the blush over the cheeks. And I swear to you guys, this lasts all day. I don't tend to touch my face when I'm at work. However, what I do tend to touch most of the time is my eyelashes and my eyebrows. For some reason, I think because I use a brow glue on my eyebrows, but I'm not going to be showing you anything to do with the eyebrows today, because sometimes I don't even do my eyebrows. I just leave them the way they are. But I find that the brow glue, I like to sometimes get my fingernails and scrape a little bit off. And I know that's disgusting, but yeah. Oh my God, okay. So I do that as a thing. All right, so that's that. And just a tiny bit over the nose, just to give like a bit of a sun-kissed glow like that. Really, really easy. And then I'm going to be pausing the video because this will take too long. I do lashings and lashings of mascara on the top and bottom lashes. This just opens up the eyes and gives a really nice wide-eyed look. And sometimes, very rarely though, but sometimes if I'm feeling a little bit more up to it, I will go in with just a really, really, really sheer medium shadow brown over the lids. And I'll put just like a really very light bone color like on the inner parts of the eye there, just to sort of open up the eyes even a little bit more. But this works and gives the same effect, but maybe just a notch down from being a little bit extra with the shadow. So I will be back once I have the mascara applied on the top and bottom lashes and show you the completed look. And here is the completed eye look with the mascara applied on the top and bottom lashes. I didn't tell you what mascara I'm using. It's the Mecca Max Wink Ink Mascara. And this is just it's just a top-notch mascara. It's a pain in the butt to take off, but I have special eye makeup remover to remove it, so it's fine. Next, just going in with the same lip and cheek balm that we applied on the cheeks, and I'm just putting that over the lips. Just like that, and we're done. The completed look of my bronzy go-to summery look that I usually do every day when I am going into work, into the office. It's just effortlessly easy to do. It's so simple. All you do need is just a couple of products, literally. These are the only products that I'm using. And that's it. Done. I'll put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. Yeah. What I love about it, it's just so easy to do and quick. quick. Guys, I'd love to hear your thoughts on your makeup routines. Do you go even more simplified than that? Do you wear makeup to work? Do you not wear makeup to work? Do you just put on a tinted moisturizer and call it a day? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please leave them in the comments below. Also, for those of you who have currently subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. It means the world to me. Welcome. And for those of you who are my current supporters, thank you so much. I love you all so much. And yeah, have a lovely rest of the week, and I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye for now.